that cows swim very well, like swim even more than human. See the way they cross that river, like this River Buruku. They swim and cross. Like I used to see people post clips like this of cows swimming, but today, like I witnessed it live and direct. You see that boat there? I'm the one that boat is carrying. No, we have to slow down to wait for them to cross. Like, hey, it's not only on land that we wait for cows to cross. So even inside river, like you have to wait for them to swim cross before. Like, how do they even do this thing? Like cows swimming like this? Hey, nah, I witnessed it live and direct. Hey, I never see this kind of one before. Cow just swim like saying a human being. That kind big River Buruku, cow was swimming from the end to the end, like cross there, without anyone remaining inside the river. They swim cross there, like I witnessed it live and direct. Some of say they tell me, say I was there, like I did there, bam bam. Hey,
Dark and lovely, ours is beautiful. Culture is a statement, it defines our people. In my arts and craft, we capture nations, alluring beauty, dark and lovely. Arts is beautiful, dark and lovely. Arts is beautiful. Culture is a statement, it defines our people. In my arts and craft, we capture nations, alluring beauty.